Unit 2, poem number 9, The Try Anti Wanty Gongolo. There's a very funny insect that you do not often spy, and it isn't quite a spider, and it isn't quite a fly. It is something like a beetle and little like a bee, but nothing like a woolly grub that climbs upon a tree. Its name is quite a hard one, but you will learn it soon. I hope so. Try anti-wanty. Try anti-wanty gongolo. It lives on weeds and wattle gum and has a funny face. Its appetite is hearty and its manners a disgrace. When first you come upon it, it will give you quite a scare. But when you look for it again, you find it isn't there. And unless you call it softly, it will stay away and mope. So try, try anti-wanty. Try anti-wanty gongolo. It trembles if you tickle it or tread upon its toes. It is not an early riser, but it has a snowby's nose. If you sneer at it or scold it, it will scuttle off in shame. But it purrs and purrs quite proudly if you call it by its name, and offer it some sandwiches of sealing wax and soap. So try, try anti-wanty, try anti-wanty gongolo. But of course you haven't seen it, and truthfully confess that I haven't seen it either, and I don't know its address, for there isn't such an insect, though there really might have been if the trees and grass were purple and the sky was bottle green. It's just a little joke of mine which you will forgive, I hope. Oh, try, try anti-wanty, try anti-wanty gongolo. This poem is written by C.J. Dennis.